In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Odoo website domain. If you're looking to personalize and leverage your brand identity by using a custom domain, this guide will walk you through the steps to make that change seamlessly. Whether you're a business owner or a tech enthusiast, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to point your Odoo website to your own domain with ease. To begin, you'll want to start by navigating to the section labeled My Databases within your Odoo account. This is where all your stored databases are listed, and it's the place from which you can directly manage each one according to your needs. Now, when you find yourself looking at the list, identify the specific database you want to link to your custom domain. You'll notice a small gear icon, somewhat looking like a traditional settings symbol, next to each database name. Go ahead and click on the gear icon that corresponds with the particular database you're interested in updating. This icon serves as your gateway to a range of configuration options that you can modify. Once you've clicked it, you'll see a multitude of options, but what you need to do next is to look for and select the Domain Names option. When you choose this, it opens up a pathway specifically tailored for managing the domain settings associated with your database. In these settings, there's a choice called Use My Own Domain. Selecting this option indicates to Odoo that you won't be using a default Odoo-supplied domain, but rather one that you've crafted, reflecting your brand or personal identity. At this juncture, it's time for you to enter your custom domain. Input the domain you own, for instance, www.yourdomain.com. Take a moment to ensure it's spelled correctly. One mistyped letter can cause connection issues or misroute your visitors. After entering your domain, click on the Verify button to initiate the verification process. This step is vital because it checks that you truly own the domain and that everything is configured correctly on your domain provider's end. When the verification passes successfully, you'll see a confirmation prompt. This is the green light indicating that all systems are go. At this stage, simply click I confirm. This action registers your domain with your Odoo database, effectively pointing your visitors from this new custom domain to your existing Odoo website. Following these clear, effective steps aligns your domain with your Odoo site, enhancing brand integrity and creating a professional web presence. Remember, ensuring proper DNS setup with your domain provider before starting is crucial for this process to work smoothly. Keep exploring and take full advantage of Odoo's flexibility and customization options to truly make your website your own.